Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine. Welcome back in computer class. And we start the part 3 of chapter number 11, that is email and Google Drive. So, the next topic is common email terms. That is, there are some common email terms that you can use while composing a message. So, first is smiles. So you can use special characters called smiles to express emotions in message. So you will use these all kind of smiles. These smiles are also available in WhatsApp group also. Next is abbreviation. Abbreviation means commonly used in message that you can use to save time while typing. Here are some of the most commonly used abbreviations. These are like AS, that is another subject, like TC, that is a take care. We also use this abbreviation in WhatsApp. Like LOL, we commonly use this abbreviation also, like a laughing out loud. So these are the some abbreviation that we used in message. Next is shouting. Shouting means a message written in capital letters is announcing and hard to read. This is called shouting. Always use a combination of upper and lowercase letter while typing message. Next, bounced message. A message that returned to you because it cannot reach its destination is called a bounced message. A message usually bounced because of mistake in typing an email address. So make sure that you check the receiver email address for accuracy before you send the message. Next is attachment. Most email messages consist only of text, but you can also attach some other types of information to share. This could be a photo, a spreadsheet file, a word processing document, or any data that reside in a separate file. You can attach any of these files to an email message. When you attach a file and send the message, then the file is sent along with the email. So these are the some common email terms. Next topic is creating an email account in Gmail, and these are the steps to creating an account in Gmail. So the simple steps are, first of all, you have to start a web browser and enter the web address www.gmail.com. I already entered here www.gmail.com in the address bar. This is the address bar. After that, Gmail login page will appear on the screen, but sometime the page will display in this manner. So in this case, you have to click on use another account, and after that you will click on create account. Then two options are there for myself to manage my business. For myself, click on it. After that, here you will type your first name. As usual, I just write down here Radhika. After that, the last name, I again write down there Radhika. Then username, that is your email address. So I just write down here radhika.radhika@gmail.com. But it's not a valid, so that they give the message that user is taken, try another. That means already somebody used this email address. You have to try another email address. So they just give the option to me. This is the available. If you are satisfied with email address, you have to click on it. They will write down this one. After that, you will write down the password, whatever you required. So here you will write down the password, that is a strong password. You will use the all letters, numbers, and special symbols also for typing the password. After that, you will write down the password again here. Here you can see the password also by this. After that, click on next. When you click on the next, then there is a one option, that is a I accept or continue to Gmail. So you have to check this button, that is a I accept or continue to Gmail. After that, if all the entries are correctly added to you, you will get a confirmation for your new account, and now your new email address like this, whatever you make that time, like here RR0132153. So these are the simple steps to creating an email account in Gmail. I think nowadays everybody using this email account. Now the next topic is sending and receiving email in Gmail. So after creating an email account, you can share it with your friends and relatives to send your email messages and to read your incoming mails also. Now here are the some steps to check your mails using login, ID and password. So first of all, start the web browser. That means you will open any browser. After that, enter the web address, that is the www.gmail.com, and after that you have to write down here, you will click on sign in, and after that you will write down the email address in this option. As it is, I just write down here radhika.teacher171219. After that, click on next button. Here you will write down your password. After typing the password, click on next button. Now your email account here open. So topic is that how you will get the emails. So here, this is the inbox button. Whatever the mail you receive, you will get your mail in this option. After that, how you will send the mails, click on this compose.